Hello and welcome to our video on the top 5 programming languages to learn in 2024 as a beginner. If you're new to programming and wondering where to start, you're in the right place. We've done our research and compiled a list of the top 5 programming languages that are perfect for beginners. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 5 on our list is Swift. Swift was introduced by Apple in 2014 as a replacement for Objective-C, and it quickly gained popularity among developers due to its modern syntax and ease of use. Swift is a modern, compiled programming language that's designed to be fast and efficient. It's also a type-safe language, which means that it helps prevent errors by checking for type mismatches at compile time. Swift is used for a variety of projects, including iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS app development. Some popular apps built with Swift include Lyft, LinkedIn, and Airbnb. Some of the benefits of learning Swift include its popularity, ease of use, and compatibility with other Apple technologies. It's also a great language for developing mobile apps, which is a growing industry with high demand for skilled developers. Coming in at number 4, we have JavaScript. JavaScript is a versatile and powerful programming language that's used to build interactive web applications. JavaScript is a high-level, dynamic, and interpreted programming language that's commonly used in web development. It was created in 1995 by Brendan Eich while he was working at Netscape Communications Corporation. JavaScript is a versatile language that can be used for a variety of purposes, including creating web pages, developing web applications, and building mobile apps. It's also a client-side language, which means that it's executed on the user's browser, making it fast and efficient. There are many frameworks and libraries available for JavaScript, which makes it easy to build complex web applications. Some popular frameworks include React, Angular, and Vue.js. It's also a great language for building dynamic and interactive web applications, which is a growing industry with high demand for skilled developers. Number 3 on our list is Java. Java is a popular, easy-to-learn programming language known for its versatility. It's object-oriented and platform-independent, running on any device with the Java Virtual Machine. With a simple syntax and extensive pre-written code library, it's beginner-friendly. Java finds applications in web, mobile, and game development. Notable features include automatic memory management for bug-free code and robust security, thanks to a sandbox environment. Multi-threading capabilities make it powerful for performance-critical tasks, like gaming or financial applications. Java is a great choice for beginners due to its simplicity and wide range of applications. If you're diving into coding, give Java a try. At number 2, we have C++. C++ is a powerful programming language with a rich history. It's an extension of the C language, known for its efficiency and low-level capabilities. C++ introduces object-oriented programming, allowing for the creation of modular and reusable code. One key advantage of C++ is its performance. It's widely used in systems programming, game development, and resource-intensive applications. While the learning curve can be steeper than some beginner-friendly languages, the skills gained are valuable. C++ is a robust language offering performance and versatility. It's a great choice for those looking to delve into low-level programming and gain a deep understanding of how computers work. And finally, at number 1 on the list is Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It is a high-level interpreted programming language that was first released in 1991. One of the great things about Python is its syntax. It's designed to be easy to read and write, which makes it a preferred language for beginners. Another great thing about Python is its versatility. Python is used in a wide range of applications, including web development, data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and more. It's also used by many big companies, including Google, Facebook, and Netflix. Learning Python is also relatively easy. Because Python is a high-level language, you don't need to worry about the low-level details of how a computer works. This makes it much more accessible to beginners than some other languages. If you're finding these programming languages a bit challenging as a starting point, or simply want to dip your toes into programming with something more beginner-friendly, consider starting with HTML. HTML is a markup language used for creating web pages. It's fun, interactive, and a fantastic introduction to the world of coding. HTML allows you to build the structure of a web page, and when combined with CSS and JavaScript, you can create dynamic and visually appealing websites. It's a great way to see immediate results and get excited about programming. While HTML is not a programming language in the traditional sense, it's a fantastic stepping stone. Once you're comfortable with the basics, you can smoothly transition to more complex languages like C++. So if you're looking for a gentle start or a fun side project, try your hand at HTML. It's a gateway to the fascinating world of coding and web development. And that's it for our top 5 programming languages for beginners. We hope this video has been helpful for you. Remember, the key to learning any programming language is to practice and keep learning. There are many resources available online to help you learn, so don't be afraid to explore and ask questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.